Hi, I'm George from SoundTraxx, and I want to share a little bit with you about what SoundTraxx does, who we are, and what we can offer you for your model railroading needs. Now, first off, SoundTraxx has been a leader in the model railroad technology and sound industry for over 31 years now. SoundTraxx, maker of the Tsunami2 product line, Econami, SoundCar, motor decoders, and accessories, is a leader in the industry that helps bring your model railroad to life. Now, with our Tsunami2 products, we have been awarded Model Railroaders Reader's Choice Award for Favorite Sound Decoder 2 years running. This is a very great accomplishment because there's a lot of great products out there, but SoundTraxx really makes that best product because we, as model railroaders, have that interest to keep it simple and easy for you to use, as well as fun and prototypically accurate. So with sound decoders in our Tsunami2 product line that covers a wide range of different sounds, all the way from early steam to mid-range steam, and up to modern and heavy steam, including early diesel, mid-range diesel, and modern day diesel. So also you can find SoundTraxx Tsunami2 products and Econami products factory installed into Athearn models such as this SD80 Mac here, and other models as well. So be sure to check those out for SoundTraxx products. Now we also offer sounds for rolling stock. Now this is what's called the sound car, and this creates the clickety-clack and the flange squeal of the rest of the train. So as your train passes, you don't have to watch the rest of the train pass in silence. Now we also have a wide range of motor decoders that will allow you to have non-sound equipped models as well as sound equipped models run side by side together, all using SoundTraxx products. With sound solutions for many scales, including N scale, HO, all the way up to large scale, SoundTraxx has a decoder that will fit your needs. Now this introduces our new KN1, a drop-in decoder for Kato N scale widebody that comes as a complete installation kit. And also introducing the Tsunami TSU Big Steam. Now this decoder has the sounds of the 4014 Big Boy, specially recorded by SoundTraxx, preloaded into it, and selectable as one of your sound choices in our Big Steam Tsunami2. So be sure to check those out at select retailers and on our website at SoundTraxx.com. Now we also offer a wide range of educational videos on our YouTube channel. Find us by searching SoundTraxx on YouTube. We also have a webinar series, so we want to make sure to give you all of the information so that you can understand better how DCC and model railroading go together and really brings your layout to life. Last is being manufactured in the United States here in Durango, Colorado. We are very proud that we manufacture our electronics here in-house and ship worldwide. During our manufacturing process, we do test our decoders in various stages, including a hand test by our technicians to ensure accurate and reliable operation the first time you open your package. Now be sure to visit our website at SoundTraxx.com and click on the web store so you can see the entire product line that we offer.